Hello friends, welcome to my channel Classification Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. So now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, so the answer to this question is very simple, and this curiosity is very simple, that in this video I am here with you along with a very stylish, decent, simple and easy to make all over hand embroidery designs. And these all over hand embroidery designs could be used in a number of ways, in a variety of manners, for dress designing, and as well as they could also be used for different purposes of your home decor ideas. So I will be making a number of videos specifically on the designs of all over hand embroidery, and this video is my first part related to all over hand embroidery designs. And this video is a mixture of very simple and some bit simple to light medium, or you could say light complex all over designs. And these designs are absolutely good and favorable for hand embroidery beginners who have just started doing hand embroidery or just have learned the art of embroidery, and they do not know how to stitch or how to make some complex hand embroidery stitches. Then for a good, beautiful and eye-catching start, this video collection is absolutely for them. Kindly do stay tuned with me and keep watching my videos, specifically this special series of all over hand embroidery designs, and subscribe for more beautiful, easy to make hand embroidery designs. And not only hand embroidery, all sort of hand art that includes crochet work, hand paint, fabric painting, gutta work, mirror work and much more. And not only this, you can watch on my channel all categories of fashion ideas related to women fashion, and not only of one region, Asian, Western, European and much more regions. And while dress designing, you can also watch a number of jewelry designs, handmade handbags, footwear, baby dress designs and much more on my channel. So thank you so much for watching the video.